Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay.
Fresh produce is a vital component of any healthy diet, but getting it from the farm to your plate can be a challenge. The Schib Horizontal Flow Wrapper, with its advanced technology, precision engineering, durable construction, and low-maintenance design, is built to last for years, making it a smart investment for any producer or distributor. Using a flow wrapper also has a number of advantages, such as increased efficiency, reduced waste, and increased product shelf life. The Schib Flow Wrapper is also simple to use and can be tailored to your specific requirements thanks to its user-friendly interface and customizable settings. So if you want to keep your produce fresh, reduce your costs, and streamline your production process, the Schib Horizontal Flow Wrapper is the perfect solution. Contact us today to learn more about how this incredible machine can help you take your produce to the next level. For more information, contact Alex E. Jones and Associates. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.